Hi everyone, welcome again to another advanced Python tutorial. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, liking and leaving your comment below. So without further words, let's get started. So on this video, we're going to talk about strings, and strings are ordered and immutable collection of data type that are used for text representation, and it's one of the most used data type in Python. So a string is created by using either single quotes or double quotes. For example, you may write my string. Let's say this equal to what we most used to write. Let's say equal to, let's say it's hello world. So we are writing this using the double quotes. So we may decide to print this. So if we print this and save this, so we are going to have hello world here. So you may decide to use single quote, and this is, there's no issue here. So if you save this and print this here, have the same word here. Okay, the only thing that you have to be very careful when you are using strings. For example, if you declare a string like, let's say you say so, as you can see here, also our code, it just gave us an error that you can't write a string like this. So we need to find the solution to write this. So the best solution you can do with this is that you can use a backslash, an escaping backslash. Yes, here if you go ahead and save this, if you print it, you have I am a developer. The other method you can use here is just to use double quotes. So you use single quotes inside a double quote. So putting like this is going to solve our problem also. You can see we don't have any problem, and if we print it here, still we have the same answer actually. Okay, you may sometimes see triple quotes when you're defining a string. So if you see triple quotes like this, this is typically used for multi-line strings or documentation. Okay, so if you have a lot of friends, let's say if we print this here, see we have different lines, and sometimes we may, yeah, of course, sometimes we may put an escaping backslash here. This is just telling that the string should just proceed on the same line, not starting a new line. For example, if we print this, we are going to have the whole word is joined. So it's just telling that if you are printing the hello word, just proceed on this line and do not start a new line. Okay, it's like that.